Let's see how does waterfall method of project management works. A typical waterfall project is chronological and is made up of 5 phases. Number 1, requirements. Number 2, design. Number 3, implementation. Number 4, verification. And number 5, maintenance. Let's see what is involved in phase 1, requirements. Throughout these 5 stages, written requirements usually put into a single document and used for verification of each stage are composed alongside constraints, functional and non-functional needs of the project. Cost is described as are assumptions, risks, dependencies, success metrics and timelines for completion in phase 1. Phase 2 is design. A high-level design is created to describe the purpose, the scope of the project, the generic traffic flow of each component, and the integration points, that is topology, followed by a detailed design which allows subject matter experts to implement the high-level design to precise details. Phase 3, implementation. Implementation teams work to the design to create code, implement and test the solution. It is crucial that the single document be as clear as possible, as the team who designs the system may or may not be the same. If changes are required during the implementation phase due to unforeseen issues with design, implementation or even changes to the intended function of the system, this makes it necessary that a new design be created and signed off on before the implementation is completed. Phase 4, verification. Acceptance tests are then deployed and executed in the verification phase, with the built solution further tested against the requirements to confirm that the project meets initial expectations. If it does not, then an examination is performed to identify the shortfalls and a review is completed to determine any ratification actions. Final phase is phase number 5, maintenance. Finally, as defects are raised or new versions of products are needed, planned changes are made by the dedicated ownership team. With the waterfall model, each stage can only continue when each of the previous stages are completed and signed off.